Hi there, students. To slump, a verb, or a slump, a noun. Okay, to slump, to collapse heavily, to fall, to sink suddenly. He arrived home after work exhausted and slumped onto the sofa. Whoa. To slump, to drop, to decline, to go down, for an activity, for performance. A slump in the economy, a slump in business due to the recession. Property prices slumped. His health slumped, went down, dropped, decreased. And then a third meaning, to slouch or to droop. Okay, when he knew he was beaten, his shoulders slumped. Okay, to slump, to hang down, to droop. Okay, so to slump, to sit down, to collapse, to fall heavily and limply without any rigidity. He slumped against the wall and then down onto a chair. Figuratively from this, a decline, a drop, a sudden severe drop in price, value, quality. A slump in business. John always seems to get lots of girls, but recently he's had a slump. None of them will go out with him. Maybe he's getting old. A slump, a recession, a period of low economic activity. Sales have slumped due to the COVID epidemic. Slump, a bad drooping posture, not erect and straight, limp. Don't slump, sit up straight, yeah? A slump, poor performance. His batting average has slumped, it's gone down. To drop. His spirit slumped and he started to become depressed. Profit slumped. He slumped into a chair. A slump in prices. The slump and the depression of the 1930s. Okay, apparently also in British English, a slump can be a marsh or a boggy place. And to slump, when you're walking through it and suddenly your foot sinks in, that would be to slump. But I think that's much more unusual these days, to slump, to go down, to collapse, to sag, if you like. Let's see, I would give this word to slump a 5 in formality. I think you could use it anywhere, informally and very formally, so it's nice and flexible. And it's a regular verb. Prices slumped. The value has slumped. And then as to origin, there's a Norwegian word, slumper or slumpe, meaning fall. And originally in English, this meant to fall into a bog, to fall into the mire. So, come on, sit up straight, don't slump. A slump in performance. He slumped into the chair. So there you go. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Slump.